Guys, I got a special treat for you here today. Check this out. RG500 Suzuki. What a machine. It smells, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Well, that smells good. This paint job is awesome. The black and white and the orange. What a beautiful piece. Nicest one I've ever seen. It is. I've never seen one nicer. Sounds like you got it tuned to the 9. Sounds fucking awesome. Wow. What are you running for fuel in there?
260. It's an outlet 260.
It smells good. What kind of oil is in there?
Motul.
Motul, of course. The best. That's what we use too. How long have you had it?
About 12 years.
It looks brand new. Have you done a full frame off on it, or?
Rick Lance did it. So
He did a
Rick Lance Gamma that he put together before he passed away a couple years ago.
He did a beautiful job on it. I can't believe that it has 27,000 miles on it, because it looks brand new. What do you figure something like this is worth today?
Maybe in the 30s.
Yeah, where are you going to find another one, right? Wow. Are all three of these yours?
You want to hear them?
Oh, well, does it bear shit in the woods? Hell yeah.